Welcome, grade 2 children. Welcome in your science lesson. Okay. Now, first of all, I wanted to ask you something that what was the topic that we have started last week? It was leaves, correct. We started the topic leaves and we are still on the same topic, right? Okay, so the same topic is going to continue in week 7 as well, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you a presentation and then we are going to discuss what the presentation is about and what we are going to learn about the topic today. Now, can you all see my screen here? Now, what this picture tells you, it shows you the parts of a plant, right? It shows you a parts of a plant, right? Okay. Now let's move on. Now the next picture here, it tells you how the plant is growing and the two people are staring and looking at the plant. Now what can you see here? This is the pot in which the plant is growing. And what are these? This is a stem, correct? These are leaves and this is a flower, right? Okay, now let's see what these parts are. So you can clearly see that the parts of a plant are roots, this is the stem, these are the leaves, and this is a flower, right? So these are the different parts of a plant, right? Flower, leaf, roots, and stem. All right, now look at another plant. Now this is a tree plant and they have shown different parts here. You can see roots are here, a big stem is there, this is the seed and these are the leaves which are present on the tree. These are flowers and there are some trees on which fruits grow, right? So these are the different parts of a plant. Now when, why have I shown you this, children? Why have I shown you this presentation on parts of a plant? Because to explain you that all these plants they have leaves. All the plants they have leaves. It is not that there is a plant without leaves. So leaves are present in all the plants, right? Leaves are present in all the plants. But the leaves might be of different kinds. They might be of different shapes. They might be of different colors, okay? And they might be of different sizes. But basically, the main color of leaves are green. Leaves are mostly of green color, but there can be leaves which are of orange color. There can be leaves which are of of red color, dark brown color, and green color. So it all depends, okay? So, but mostly leaves are of green color and they are found everywhere on a plant. But where does a leaf grow? Where does a leaf grow, children? Leaf grows on a stem, right? It grows on a stem. Now, I'll show you some other picture in which you can clearly see there are different kinds of leaves. You can see this is orange color leaf. You need not to go in detail on their names. We will discuss, read and understand this later on. You can just see the colors and shapes. You can see the color is orange with red and here how the shape of the leaves are. You can see this is of different shape and the edges are also different. Same goes for here. Now see this leaf is of green and red color and see how this leaf is different. And again this is a red color leaf, how it is different from the green color and all the other leaves. This is another leaf, this is another leaf, right? And here also you can see these are different green color leaves. Yet in green color leaves also they have different shades, right? You can see this is a little lighter green, this is more light, this is dark green. Again, this is also a different shape of leaf. See this leaf is also different. This leaf is also different from this and another leaf. And here there are so many different colors of leaves. See, this is light brown, dark brown, green, then again brown, oranges, red, brown. See, all these different leaves. So leaves comes in all these colors, but basically leaves are of green color. right? So this is what we are going to learn today in the topic about leaves. Basic colors of leaves. The basic color of leaf is a green color. But as I have shown you in my presentation, you have seen so many different colors of leaves were there. Mostly it was red, orange, and you can say yellowish color, right? But mostly leaves are of green color. And if you see in your book also, you can see here there are different types of leaves they have shown over here. There are different types of leaf with different shades of green color. Again, this leaf they have asked, they have described the leaves. Now, whatever color the leaves are, whatever shapes the leaves are, they will have the same parts, right? They will have the same parts like we have discussed before, that midrib, veins, and leaf blade. All these leaves, they have these parts, whether the leaves are of yellow color, orange color, red color, they will have all these parts and they will all have the same functions, right? And in the same way, if you go on next page, that is page 30, you will find this information that leaves are of many shapes and sizes. They may have smooth edges, saw-like edges, or loop edges. See, these leaves are of different shapes and sizes like the leaves I have shown you in my picture as well, right? Okay. Now I want you children to draw a plant in your book, in your notebook. Draw a plant and label its parts and then write one sentence of that plant. First, so there are three tasks that you are going to do. First, you have to draw a plant. Second, you have to label the parts of a plant. And the third one is you have to write one sentence about that plant. So three tasks: draw, label, and write. Okay. Since there are three tasks, it's going to take time. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes for this work and your time starts now. Time is up. Time is up. Okay. Now show me your plant, Saad, what you have drawn. Wow, very good. Show me your Sarah. You have drawn a sunflower plant. Very good. You have drawn a sunflower plant. And have you labeled the parts? Okay. Now read the sentence which you have written starting from Saad. What sentence you have written? I like this plant. Okay, that is correct. I like this plant. But you can make this sentence more interesting by adding some describing words, right? You can say, I like this big plant, or I like this beautiful plant. I like this plant because it grows mangoes on it, right? Like that to make your sentence more interesting. Okay? All right, Sarah, what you have written with it? This is my sunflower plant. Very good. You can also say this is my sun, like Sarah has written, this is my sunflower plant. She has written the name of that plant as well. And you can say, I like this plant because I like yellow color or I like yellow flower. Okay, in order to make your sentences look more interesting. Because if you say, I like this plant, that could be a simple sentence. That would be a simple sentence for kindergarten students, for grade 1 students, since you are in grade 2. So you can add in more things. So make your sentence look more interesting, right? Like Sarah said, I like this is a sunflower plant. I like this plant because I like yellow color. So you have described it, you have made your sentence more interesting. It becomes interesting for the reader that why she likes this plant because she likes yellow color. Got my point? Yes? Okay. Now, I'm very happy for your work. That was very good that you all did your work very, very nicely. Okay. Now comes the time where we are going to wrap up the lesson, right? And in wrapping up, I'm going to draw a plant on the board and you are going to tell me how I'm going to label. Okay? All right. All right. Okay. Now these are the different parts of the plant. All right. I have drawn. Now tell me what shall I write here? What is going to be written here? Which part of a plant is this? Roots, correct, very good. These are the roots. Wow, great. And what is this? It's a stem. It's a stem. Very good. And what are this? This is a leaf. Very good. It's a leaf. Okay. Now, what is this? It's a flower. Very good. It's a flower. So you have told me all the different parts of plants. These are the roots. This is a stem, leaf, and flower. That is very good. Very nice class. That means that up till now, whatever we have done, whatever we have discussed in topic leaves is very, very clear to you all. Yes, I'm very happy to you about you. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now just do your homework that I'll be posting on portal. It would be about your book page. Okay. It's very easy. You all can easily do it. But if in case you don't understand, just leave it and ask me tomorrow. Okay. So have a nice day. Bye bye.